Hello guys, in this course I will show you how you can create this floor using ThreeJs and how you can create basic scene using ThreeJs. So in this part we will do this much, and in second part we will create this lightning, and in third part we will this create this shining lightning effect, and we will load this character and we will animate that. Okay guys, so let's start our course. So let me create go to my Visual Studio Code, and I created this new HTML document. Okay, I will go to my 3js library reference website, and here you can see how to create basic scene. So I will go here and I will just copy this much line of code from here, and I will paste it here. And again, I don't want to use this. I have to import my library. So I had already have this master 3gs file. So let me show you. Okay, I think, yeah. So here we have this master 3gs build. So I will import my library from here, and from build I will import this minified.js file. Okay, so I think we are done. Let me save it and go to the browser. So we are getting this, but we don't have this orbital control. So I will add that. So for orbital control, you have to import it from library. Okay, and I will initialize this orbital control here. So let me, and we have to pass two argument. First one is camera and second one is renderer dot DOM element. Okay, so we created our control. Let me check spelling. Okay, so now I think we are done. Now we will remove this code because we don't want to animate like this, but we will update our control. Okay, so now we are done. Let me save it and check it on browser. So we are ready with our orbital control, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and you can see 360 view here. Now we are getting this um, unsorted this edge, and it's not looking good. So I will do some configuration here. So in renderer I will add true, anti-alias true. So now you can see we are getting this sharpen edge, and so now we are created this basic scene. Now I will create floor using this box symmetry, but with height and width 100 and height of 2. Okay, and I will give the color something like gray, I think. Yeah, and apart from this, let me save it and check it once. So we are getting this, but just because of our camera position, it's looking horrible. So I will set the camera position first. So camera dot position dot set, I think 20 20. sorry, 60 and 20. I think this position is good for our purpose. Okay, so we are getting, but we have to rotate this floor by 90 degree because it's looking vertical. So I will rotate this cube. So instead of cube, I will name it floor, and I will add that floor, and floor dot rotation dot set. So I want to rotate it along x-axis. So let me save it and check it once. Okay, so now I think we are done, and I think we have to make it 40. Okay, so our floor is ready. Now instead of normal material, I will use mesh standard material so that it can look something realistic, and we can get some shiny effect. So let me go to the documentation and check how we can create this mesh standard material. Okay, so let me copy this first, and and after color we will add some more property like metalness and roughness. So we don't want metalness, so I will make it 0 because floor is not metal. So I will make it 0 because you can see here by default uh, you get it's 0. So I think we don't need to set that. By default it's 0, so we don't need that, and we need roughness. So let me check roughness. So by default it's 1. So I think we don't need to set both thing because we need uh, that roughness 1 only, so that it's looks shiny. Okay, I think we are done, and now save it. Okay, so now we are not getting anything here, so just because we don't have any lightning right now, and mesh standard material needs light for visualization. So I will add spotlight. Okay, now copy this code and paste it here. After control, I will paste it here. Okay, so we imported our spotlight and set position, cast shadow. We don't want to cast any shadow, and shadow map and everything. I think this is good. Okay, and apart from this FOV, okay, we don't need this. Let me save it and check on my browser. So now we are getting our plane visualization, and now you can see here I will make the position. Actually we don't want this much, so I will make it 60, and make it 10 and 10. Okay, so now we are getting this centered line, and just because of spotted light you can see we are getting this rings here. Okay, and let me show you by reducing this to 20. So now you can see we are getting only small part of our plane, so we don't want this much but we will set it 50. Okay, so 50 is okay for our purpose. Okay, I think we have to increase it a little bit. So 70. Okay, so now we are done. Okay, with floor. And next part, I will show you how you can create that amazing lightning over here so that you can get a feel of disco club. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video and wait for second part. I will complete give you complete tutorial so that you can create such kind of application. Thank you.